Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to solve one of the most annoying issues, that is OSM 23 app is not working Android. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix OSM 23 app is not working Android with 6 best fixes. Solution 1. Restart your Android device. Sometimes just by restarting your device can solve the issue. So, why not try this once? To restart your device, unlock the screen of the phone. Press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. After that, try to connect with the app again. It may solve your OSM app not working problem. Solution 2. For Stop OSM 23 app. Android provides a convenient feature known as Force Stop. It allows users in order to stop any application that is acting weirdly. Thus, if you want to fix OSM 23 app is not working on Android, then you can use this function. For this, you have to go to the Settings app on your Android phone. Then tap on App Management, App List, and tap on OSM App. Here you will find Force Stop option, just tap on it. Solution 3. Clear OSM 23 app cache and data. Whenever you come across app crashing, freezing, or not working issues on your phone, then once you should clear cache and data of that particular app. The same thing goes for OSM app as well. For this, you have to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications or App Management. Here you will see all apps and find the OSM app. On the apps page, choose Storage, and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Solution 4. Update OSM app. Sometimes an outdated version of the app can cause different issues, like OSM 23 app is not working or not responding. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. In order to do so, you have to open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Updates section, find the OSM app and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. Once updated, open OSM app and launch it again to check for the issue. Solution 5. Check for System Software Update. Getting the latest software version is always a good idea, because new versions bring many new features, security patches, and bug fixes. So, if a new software version is waiting to be downloaded, proceed with the download. Simply go to Settings, then find and tap on Software Update, and tap on Download and Install. Solution 6. Uninstall and reinstall OSM app. To give yourself a clean start, you can reinstall the OSM app from the Google Play Store. To uninstall the app, find the OSM 23 app on your device's home screen and long press on it, then tap Uninstall option. Now follow the steps to install OSM app. Go to Google Play Store and type OSM in search box. Click on OSM 23 app and then on Install option. To proceed further, click on Accept after reviewing the app permission. So, this is all about fixing OSM 23 app is not working on Android phone. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving the problem. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users facing the same problem, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.